Welcome to KBW. Today topic is Computer Basics Part 2. Today we will play KBW quiz with Vihaan. The rules of the quiz is I will ask the multiple choice question. You need to give one answer. On every correct answer you will get 100 points. And on every wrong answer you will lose 100 points. Vihaan, let's see how many points you can earn. Vihaan, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Vihaan, first question is fill the blanks. Key is used to erase the letter or word typed to right side of a cursor. Option is backspace, delete, shift, all. What do you think, Vihaan? Which one is the right answer?
Delete.
Delete. Yeah, this is right answer. Good, Vihaan, this is right answer. Okay, next question, Vihaan.
Yes.
A keyboard has fill the blanks number of function keys. Option are A 10, option B 9, option C 12, option D 36. Which one you are thinking, Vihaan?
12.
12. Correct. This is also right, Vihaan. You got 200 points. Very good, Vihaan. Third question. Fill the blanks. Keys are used to move the cursor left, right, up and down directions. Vihaan, which key are used to move the cursor left, right, up and down directions? Option are arrows, option B shift, option C spacebar, option D none of these.
Please repeat it again.
Question is fill the blanks. Keys are used to move the cursor left, right, up and down directions. Option are arrow, option B is shift, option C is spacebar, option D is none of these. Which one you are taking?
Spacebar.
Wrong answer, Vihaan. Right answer is arrow.
Arrow, sorry.
Okay, you got a minus negative 100 marks.
Okay.
Okay, next question, Vihaan.
Yes.
Fill the blanks. Button is the longest key on the keyboard. Option A keyboard, option B CPU, option C mouse, option D spacebar.
Spacebar.
Right, this is right answer, Vihaan. You got 100 points. Very good, Vihaan. Okay, next question, Vihaan. Computer gives fill the blanks results incorrect. Option A incorrect, option B accurate, option C approximate, option D none of these.
B.
Option B. Okay, this is right answer, Vihaan. Very good. Okay. Next question, Vihaan.
Yes.
Computers are store lot of information. You need to give the answer true or false.
That is true.
Right answer. That is also right. Very good, Vihaan. Okay.
What is my score?
Okay, you got exactly. Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. Okay, next question, Vihaan.
Yes.
Mouse is an fill the blanks device. Input device, output device, input or output or none of these.
Input.
Very good, Vihaan. This is also right. You got 100 points. Okay, next question, Vihaan.
Yes.
A CPU contains fill the blanks card reader, analytic engine. Option C is control arithmetic logic unit. Option D is none of these.
Option C.
Are you sure? Option C?
Please, you can repeat it. Option C.
Control arithmetic and logic unit.
Yes, that only.
Okay, this is also right, Vihaan. Good. Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. Okay, next question. A keyboard is A device black. Option A is black. Option B input. Option C output. Option D none of these. What do you think, Vihaan?
Input.
Input device. Correct answer. This is also right. Very good, Vihaan. Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan. Okay, next question is Vihaan. ALU stand for option A, Array Logic Unit, option B, Arithmetic Logic Unit, option C, Application Logic Unit, option D, none of these.
Option B.
Right, this is correct answer. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. You are right, Vihaan. Very well, Vihaan. A big round of applause to the Vihaan.